Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to know if DJI RC2 is fully charged. So you have visual basically option with LEDs blink sequentially to show the current charging progress. When it's fully charged is solid green. So I think we have here 4 or 5 lights. So we have 4 green lights. Now, at the moment, I have just one, so I will show you in a bit how you can also check if your battery, how much percentage your battery still has. Now, um, if from some reason you don't see these green lights, what you can do is swipe down on this screen one time, and you will see at the top right corner the percentage of the battery. So I have 18%, as you can see here. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can check how much charge is your controller. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel.